Arches, Frank, Song, Club. We are going to draw Thor's hammer.
Thor's hammer. Do you have it? No, you don't.
No.
We'll be buying it next, okay?
Yeah.
So
And
we'll be needing, as always, a black sketch pen.
and papers and some few colors, and let's start drawing.
Cool. Now let's start drawing.
It's almost like a VR glass.
We'll make a rectangle. That's how easy it should be. Then we make two straight lines over here.
What are you drawing first?
There.
Oh, that.
Okay. It's good.
But how did you draw that?
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, okay. You did that. Oh. Enough. Never knew that.
Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Come on, finish it.
Papa,
Yes.
I got confused.
So what were you doing when I was drawing?
I got confused. I'm confused. Mine's looking like something else only. Right, Papa? Because it's looking like a alien hammer. Huh? Right, Papa? Papa? Papa?
Okay.
To make it more heavy and drawing eyes.
Yeah. So let's start.
Now let's color it. No, we don't have to color it.
Let's finish it first.
I'm done.
This is the Thor's hammer. And how does it look like when colored? So, you have to say something to your
If
friends?
you love this video, do like and subscribe my channel to see more of these amazing videos.
Until then, have a
No,
wonderful day.
No, if you want to see us make the Gold Ranger, do 20 million likes.
Yes. If you want us to draw Gold Ranger,
Yeah.
make sure that you give us so many likes in all our videos.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Bye bye.